These steel cylindrical piles are 8 feet in diameter, and the thickness of the steel is 1.5 inches on these pile, and there will be some pile up to 2 inches thick.
Six steel test piles have arrived at the Key Bridge construction site, a giant delivery that's been months in the making.
They range in length from 220 feet to 235 feet.
Next up, crews will drive the test piles down into the Patapsco River.
First, stand the piles up, vibrate them into place, and then really use the pile driving hammer to get those to the depth.
MDTA Chief Engineer Jim Harkness says they installed noise and vibration devices in the surrounding community to monitor activity levels during construction.
The kind of noises that we expect to hear with a pile driving operation is really going to kind of be likened to the sound of a large bell from some distance away. So it's kind of a deeper sound because we are using such big piles and such a large hammer.
Crews have a 12-hour work window by permit, Monday through Saturday, but Harkness says there will not be continuous construction noise during test pile driving.
We'll be working on one pile at a time, probably one pile a day, and for up to 2 hours of driving.
He says this crucial step will help confirm the new bridge's design, load-bearing capacity, and more.
All these piles are going to have instrumentation in them. They're going to give us readings. Once we have the 6 piles all driven into place, we're going to set a very large load frame on top of those, and that's going to essentially allow us to get additional measurements.
Test pile driving should start on or about September 27th. For the MDTA, I'm Allison Persing.